Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you share Wi-Fi to another phone guys. This phone Wi-Fi guys, Vivo Wi-Fi guys, you want to share your Wi-Fi, so guys you can share. And guys, now let's see guys how to share Wi-Fi to another phone. So guys, let's start the video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys open out this phone setting guys. Guys, click on Wi-Fi and guys on your Wi-Fi. Guys, you have this guys Wi-Fi and guys you want to share it, so guys and guys on your this Wi-Fi and guys click on the setting option guys. This Wi-Fi guys you want to share and guys you can see share option and guys share. And guys now QR code guys you can see, and guys in this one guys you can say right Technophone I have, and guys I will use this scanner and guys you can see, and guys you can see connect option. So guys now guys connect, so as you can connect Wi-Fi and guys you can share this Wi-Fi, and guys in this one guys you can connect Wi-Fi. So I hope friends you have understood how to share Wi-Fi in Vivo phone to another phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.